I love my life. 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 I love my life.
What's up, everybody? We're back with another video. We're back with another video. Back with another video. Back with another video. Alright, y'all. So Elisha had this great idea that we make her favorite snack of all times.
Oreo Blizzard.
If you guys don't know what Oreo Blizzard is, which I'm sure you probably do, it is like the best thing to get from Dairy Queen.
Yes.
So she wanted to make our own. I think that would be kind of cool. This is like our first cooking video.
With Elisha and Lay.
It was good.
Ew.
All right, so you ready to get started?
Yep, let's get it. Remember, let's get it. Let's go.
All right, so we got our vanilla ice cream. Our vanilla ice cream.
Yep.
You want to do the cookies?
So
you get some vanilla ice cream. We got vanilla bean though because we like.
It's still good though. So
we like vanilla bean. You want to break up the Oreos? So I'm gonna take some scoops.
Well, I usually put that one on top of the ice cream first. I mean last.
Do you still put some in there? You can get them ready.
Okay, I'm gonna like crunch them up and then you can still put them in. All right.
Then Elisha's just breaking up some Oreo Blizzards.
Some Oreo Blizzards. Some
She's breaking up the Oreos.
Cookies.
And like, yeah. It's like it's real frozen.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
I want to lick the spoon back. No germs.
I think I might eat one cookie.
Go ahead.
Oh, let me some damn Oreo.
What? Man,
I said I love me some damn Oreo.
Put some more in there.
Alright.
So we're still just filling up. We have a nice little, this is a Fruit Ninja.
What?
A Fruit Ninja blender. You supposed to use fruit, but ain't nobody finna make no smoothie.
We do it our own way.
So we do it this way. We make Oreo Blizzards. Yeah, should I try to scoop it?
You scaring me. Why you all up on me?
Hey,
Why you all up on me?
Head to the left. I said, head to the right. Head to the left. And I'm feeling all right. All right.
Well, it's my turn.
All right, so Elisha
got
the cookies. What it look like? Got the Oreos.
Ding.
Broke up in there.
Should I put some more in it or?
No, we'll just make a little bit, just so we.
Wait, are you positive?
Yep.
And make sure it's like, yeah.
Oh no, you put this first, huh?
You put it on. Yeah, there you go. And then just, shake it a little bit. And
We probably should put milk in this, but I don't really like the milk.
I don't even like milk either. I mean, we can just put just a little bit of milk in if you want. So what she's doing, I like to
Maybe we should put some milk. Some milk in it.
Why? It's good with that anyway.
Okay, we don't like milk, so we didn't put milk. It'd probably make it more creamy.
It looks good. Just go out like this.
This is how it looks. All right, so I'm gonna put some in my bowl. It's not a lot. I think we should probably put more ice cream, but I'll make my scoop. You like that? Look like a good scoop.
Should we put some more ice cream in there? Or?
Let's make another round.
So guys,
we gotta make some more.
We gotta make another one because that wasn't enough. So this is our round 2.
Some more. Break some Oreos in there. Don't put a lot, just put 1 or 2. Just put one.
You sure?
Yeah.
Anyhow.
Alright, guys. Round 2.
I already said that.
Alright, guys. Round 2.
I'll do it this time.
Alright. I think that's enough.
Yep. Let's get it started here.
Girl.
Wait, okay, so put it up. Okay.
Yep.
I'm putting it in hers.
Cool.
Wait. This is.
Okay. And
then do mine.
This look good. So this is why our Oreo blizzard came out.
Now we are done with
Let's show them
that.
together.
Okay.
Our Oreo blizzard.
Yummy in a tummy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait, cheers.
Cheers.
Let me go pee. And then we'll finish this.
All right. So guys, I had this best prank on her. I'm about to go open the refrigerator and I'm gonna go grab the mayonnaise and then I'm gonna put it in a bowl. So I'll be right back. I got the mayonnaise. So I'm gonna put this in her bowl and I'm gonna mix it in together. See how she feel about it. I'm gonna mix it together. So I'm mixing her mayonnaise in together. Oh, this is so good. So since she pranked me last time on our last video called the allergic prank, so she pranked me last time, so I have to get her back. So it's my turn to prank her. Okay, she's coming.
Okay. I have to pee.
You good?
Yeah. You good? All right. All right, y'all. So we're about to test our ice cream and see what it tastes like. Ready?
Okay, here, man. Okay. What's wrong? What's wrong?
It don't taste good at all.
Why? I mean, we did our ice cream.
Did you put some more ice cream on mine?
No, I was just saying vanilla bean. What's wrong?
Yours tastes okay?
Mm-hmm. Girl, my taste is good. What it tastes like?
Is it nasty? Cause what's the date at?
It's not nasty. I mean, we just bought the ice cream.
Ugh, man.
How do you feel, like,
That's
Taysha?
nasty as heck. What you doing?
It's a prank.
What you mean it's a prank? We're filming a video. What you put in my ice cream?
I put in mayonnaise. Payback. I put in mayonnaise in it.
Ugh, nasty.
You got me last time, so I had to get you back.
Why how we doing it now? You playing with food?
I finally got her back. So Team Elisha.
Hell no.
Let me take my bite.
I was like, is the ice cream old?
I'm gonna bring it again.
No, that's not even funny. That's disgusting. I'm gonna play with your food. I have not played with your food. That's gross.
Mine tastes good, but hers.
Oh, that was nasty. It tastes salty. Like it.
Well, guys, if you want to see another prank video,
Nah, y'all know what? I'm about to get her back.
comment
She gonna
below.
cry in the next video. She gonna cry again. In the next video. I'm
everything.
taking you back. So that's what we're doing. I thought we was done.
Hey, well, prank ain't done yet. It's still going. Anywho, well, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. No, thumbs down.
On this
Thumbs
one, you
up.
can give it a thumbs down. That's
No, this one you can
That's messed
actually
up. No,
give it
thumbs
a
down. That's
thumbs
messed
up. I said thumbs up. So,
that's gross.
make sure you guys like,
Like my mouth feels like
subscribe,
disgusting.
share,
It was like mold.
and turn on your
It was like mold.
and
It was nasty as hell. It was like salt.
and
You
turn
want
on your notifications.
You want to taste some?
So I'm not tasting that shit.
Alright, y'all. Thanks
Well-
for watching our video that I thought was a cooking video. And somebody want to prank somebody? Okay.
No, I got her
You
back.
have no idea.
I got her back
She
again.
has no idea. Watch. Okay.
Mine's is
She
good.
know I love food.
Mine's good.
She know I love food. I love food. She gonna prank me like that? Okay.
She ain't get me back this time.
All right. So I'm gonna get her back. I'm gonna get her back. That was a good one.
I win. You did.
Ew. All right, y'all. So thanks for watching. I need to go eat something to get that nasty taste out my mouth. And we love you. And make sure you guys comment. Turn on your notifications. Let us know when you do that. Or just leave a comment and we will shout you out. And our
Timmy,
next
Elisha.
video, we will shout you out in our next video. All right, y'all. I'm about to go eat the rest of her Oreos. We love you guys. We'll see you in our next video.
Peace.
Bye.
I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life.